How to enable or disable hearing aid compatibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, you will see fourth option is hearing aid spot. So after click on hearing aid spot, so if you want to enable or disable hearing aid compatibility, so hearing aid compatibility is here. So if you want to enable hearing aid compatibility, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see hearing aid compatibility is enabled. So if you want to disable hearing aid compatibility, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hearing aid compatibility is disabled. So you will enable or disable hearing aid compatibility from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can enable or disable hearing aid compatibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.